You need to watch this if you struggle with creating product images fast. Amazon's got a new tool that might just save your day. So Amazon just dropped this AI-powered image generator that promises to whip up product images in seconds. But is it all hype or a genuine game changer? First off, accessing this tool is a breeze, just a few clicks and you're in. But here's the burning question. Can it replace professional photography? Short answer, not quite. It's fantastic for infographics and A+ content. But for main images or high-stakes competition, it's not there yet. Now don't get me wrong. It's a massive time saver and helps cut down on photography costs. But our pro tip? Use it as a starting point, then blend in some professional edits for that wow factor. So what do you think? Will Amazon's AI image generator change the game for sellers? Drop your thoughts below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Catch you next time.